everybody, it is Natasha Red here, not True Beauty Forever, and that is something that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So this is a new year. I hope you guys are having a good new year so far. I hope you guys are out here crushing your goals. I'm trying to anyways. And one thing that I decided in the new year is that I wanted to start fresh on all of my social media, and I will no longer be going by the name True Beauty Forever. That was a hard decision for me to come to because I have been a content creator on and off on social media for almost a decade. This will be my 10th year on social media platforms such as YouTube, and I have always had the name True Beauty Forever. But the reason why I am choosing to no longer go by True Beauty Forever is because basically I'm finding that people are having a hard time finding my content, and I believe that my username has been part of why, especially here on YouTube. I've had so many people tell me, hey, I've tried to search for your channel, or I search for True Beauty Forever and someone else pops up. And as a person who works really hard on their content, clearly you guys, I don't do it for like the money or the fame, because I have neither, but I do it for the passion of it. However, I do want people to actually be able to see my content and actually have it reach out to them. It's very disheartening to know that I put in this work for people to see it, only to find out people haven't been able to find it. So I feel like perhaps if I change my channel to my actual name, maybe people will actually be able to find me now, which is what I'm hoping. So from now on my social media platforms, I will be going by Natasha Red. I will have the exact username for all of my platforms in the description bar of this video. So I hope that this new change will bring some new growth to my channel, because I've opened up to you guys in the past year about how I felt about like my lower engagement and views on my videos and stuff. And again, I've never been popular by any means, and that's not why I do it, but I do want people to actually see it and enjoy it. So yeah, so that is why I'm choosing to start anew, and from now on I'm going to be saying, hey guys, it's Natasha Red here. Let me know what you thought of the intro slide. Did y'all like it? I hope you did. Let me know if you didn't though, so I can change it. And I also wanted to announce the giveaway winner. So this is the giveaway winner. Congratulations to you. Please hit me up within 3 business days so that I can send you your palette. Alrighty guys, new videos will be coming very soon, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.